Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rihanna and today I am bringing you video 5 of the 7 DIYs of Christmas, and in today's video I am turning these Dollar Tree votive holders into candles. First thing I do is fill my stock pot up with water. I stick a jar inside to make sure that I have enough water, and then I'm going to take it and put it onto the stove on low so that it can the water can boil. I use wax melts instead of like soy wax or beeswax or whatever, because it already has the fragrance in it, so it's very quick and easy to do. Next, I add the Wick stickers into the bottom of each votive and put the Wick inside. You want to center this. I am not very good at centering the wicks, but I do my best to center it in the votive and then add the wick in the center of the actual Wick sticker. This is a really quick DIY that you can do to either gift to your guests if you're hosting Christmas, but you can also use it in your tablescape as, you know, something fragrant to have on the table. I tried to get the Wick sticker and the Wick centered in the votive glass. As you can see, it's a struggle for me, and I try my hardest to get it centered, and I try to center the actual wick on the Wick sticker. And then I used the sticks that came with my pack and make sure that the wick has actually stuck to the sticker, and after that I feed the wick through the hole in the stick, so that helps hold the wick in place while the wax is being poured. As you can see, this whole process for me is a struggle. And so once I have that and the wax is at the right temperature, which you'll see in the next clip, I then pour the wax into each votive glass and then allow that to cool down. And once that's done, I have a candle. Be sure to stay tuned to see how the other vessels turned out. I used not only the cotton flower and musk, but I also used a cranberry Mandarin splash wax melt to make a variety of these votive candles. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment below, and also share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can see more DIYs. And until next time, bye.